Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the Emirates NBD Manchester United credit card. We'll explore its key features, including how it caters to football enthusiasts. You'll learn about the specific rewards and benefits designed for cardholders, helping you decide if it aligns with your spending habits and loyalty. We'll also touch upon the eligibility requirements and any associated fees, ensuring you have a complete picture before considering an application. This card offers exciting benefits for fans. You can earn up to 2% cashback on certain spending categories, making your everyday purchases more rewarding. Cardholders also enjoy special discounts on Manchester United merchandise and match tickets, enhancing your fan experience. Furthermore, there are opportunities for exclusive access to events and unique experiences, bringing you closer to the club you love. These perks are designed to give true supporters extra value. Understanding the financial aspects is crucial. The annual fee for this card is typically around AED 200, which is standard for co-branded cards. Interest rates can vary, generally falling between 3.09% and 3.25% monthly, so it's wise to pay your balance in full. To be eligible, applicants usually need a minimum monthly income of AED 5,000. Always review the latest terms and conditions before applying. So, is the Emirates NBD Manchester United credit card the right fit for you? If you're a dedicated fan who frequently purchases merchandise or attends games, the exclusive benefits could offer significant value. Weigh the annual fees and interest rates against the rewards you expect to earn. It's a great option for those who can maximize its unique perks. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, we've got a fantastic resource. Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find the link for these, along with other great affiliate deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.